Hi, I'm Chris Hasson. I'm really excited today to present a beach house, not just because of its unique position, but also because of its style and multifunctional layout. Let's have a look. Welcome to your contemporary beach house. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy. Situated in the blue chip location of Ocean Beach Road, Shoal Bay, and cocooned by National Park, you've arrived in paradise. With wraparound hardwood decking and high vaulted ceilings, opulent living is personified in your 3-bedroom main residence. Straight from a dip at the nearby stunning Box Beach, and you'll enjoy a warm outdoor shower rinsing off the sand before a relaxing lunch in your private outdoor entertaining area. And with a completely separate loft accommodation complemented by high ceilings, a kitchen and bathroom, and with room for boat or caravan, all your needs will be met with absolutely nothing to think of or do but plan your next activity. Welcome to your contemporary beach home. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy. With properties like this not lasting long, if you want an inspection, give me a call 040-234-8080, or you can email me at chris@realestatefriend.com.au.